Good afternoon. It was another cold and frosty start first thing this morning. Some mist and fog patches, but more or less you could see the sun as soon as it rose. That mist and fog burnt back to blue sky and sunshine. Now, high pressure remains in charge, not only for today, but for much of this week. Plenty of sunshine, very little in the way of cloud for today. The wind is light and temperatures around 9 or 10 Celsius. Still feeling a little chilly, even with all that sunshine. Then overnight it stays dry and it stays clear. Very similar to last night, the temperature drops down below zero. Could see temperatures get as low as -3. So another widespread frost and the chance of some mist and fog patches forming once again. Now that will lift first thing tomorrow morning. Again, we're going to have another day of blue sky and sunshine. The wind is light. The temperature tomorrow again around 10 Celsius. Now you can see the high pressure stays in charge through the rest of this week. It does start to drift a little south and eastwards, at which point we'll start to bring in some slightly less cold air from the south. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the temperature actually getting a little higher. And by the end of the week, we could reach the mid-teen Celsius. Nighttime temperatures also not quite as cold. It has, but we are in the first week of meteorological spring and all of those things can happen, but you're quite right. Very different weathers from depending what time you got up this morning, but some beautiful signs of spring have been revealing themselves over the last few days. But this was the frost that we're talking about first thing this morning, down below zero. You can see the crocuses though, just starting to come up. There's quite a lot of mist and fog around as well, but that burnt back to blue sky and sunshine. And like I said, those signs of spring, blossom just starting to come out on the trees. Hay fever already starting to make its mark as well as a result. Now, if you are heading out tonight, it is going to be another cold one. We've had clear skies all day and we're going to hang on to those tonight too. Very similar to last night, we're seeing some mist and fog patches developing as well. They could be quite thick in the morning, minimum temperature -2. So another frost first thing tomorrow morning. So chilly start, misty, murky start for some. But again, that is going to burn back very quickly and we'll see another day of sunshine. Now, there's very little to talk about tomorrow. Nothing on the map means there's very little cloud, very little wind as well. And temperatures getting up to 12. Now, today we got up to 13. I suspect tomorrow will be fairly similar, 12 or 13 Celsius. Now, the high pressure as we head through Tuesday night into Wednesday just starts to slide a little bit down towards the south and east, but it's still extending itself across the southern part of the UK. So it's blocking any fronts coming from the north. So again, some mist and fog potentially in the morning, burning back to sunshine for Wednesday. Temperatures, again, getting that little bit warmer. As that high pressure starts to drift, it starts to drag in some air from the south. So 14 Celsius on Wednesday. It is going to be chilly overnight Wednesday, perhaps not quite as chilly as it has been. And we've still got that high pressure blocking. The wind just starts to strengthen a little as we head into Friday. And that just allows something a little more unsettled, but it is only a little bit. So for Friday, there'll be a bit more cloud, the chance of 1 or 2 showers, but they're not guaranteed. Still sunshine and temperatures look up in the mid-teen Celsius, 15. So warm by the end of the week.